Hey everybody, this is Matt. Just taking a nice birding walk with my good friend Bill, and this is where we walked. And I just saw more of the wonder of the world talking to this man who's very knowledgeable and forester, but with a real ecological awareness. And looking at trillium and wild leeks and celestial, no, what are they called? Spring celestials, the budding of new growth, the trees, the birds, the turkey vultures, the cardinals, the nuthatch, and just appreciating the wonder of the world and the wonder of this life on this planet, and how important it is that we all do everything that we can to protect it, and that we don't forget what we're learning through this human suffering of the virus. So I guess that's really it. I just wanted to share with you my experience of the morning, as well as my plea that we all dig to the deeper levels of our awareness to protect Mother Earth, to give her all of our hearts, all of our love, and the blessings that we receive from her are appreciated. And in that vein, I think I need to go home now and put some more seeds in the ground. What do you say? Hope you have a beautiful day. This is Matt signing out. Bye.